Okay, students, now we continue in exercise 5.3 of lesson 5. Okay, so today we learn question 4. Okay, so here it is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 dash dash must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay, so here AP is given and sum of the term is given. Okay, so how many terms of this AP, and it give a sums of 636. It means we find here number of terms. Okay, so now we solve answer 4. Okay, so here A is equal to 9. It means first term of the AP. In AP there is given 9, 17, 25. So first term here 9. So A equal to, we take here 9, then D we know. Okay, T2 minus T1, okay, is equal to 8. And Sn here the sum of the terms, that is 636. And Sn is equal to, we take here 636 and N we find here. So by Sn formula, okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. This formula we use and find n. Okay, so here Sn is equal to 636 is equal to n upon 2, 2 into bracket 9, A is equal to 9, okay, first term, plus n minus 1 multiplied 8, D value 8. Okay, now we give simplification. So here we multiply this 2 with 636, it means 1272 is equal to n multiplied 2 9s are 18 plus 8 9s are 8 n minus 8, then 8 minus 18 minus 8 10 plus 8n. Okay, now we open this bracket with n, so n multiplied 10 10n plus 8n square. Now we form this equation to get the number of terms, it means n value. So here I arrange this equation as a 8n square plus 10n, and this number we send this side, it means it become negative, is equal to 0. Now we divide by 2 because these are all number are even. So here 4n square plus 5n minus 666 is equal to 0. And now we get the factors of this equation. So we multiply 636 by 4. Then we get here 2544, and after then we find the factors of this number to get middle term here 5n plus 5n. Okay, so there is two factors 53 and 48. It means 53 multiplied by 48 is equal to 2544. So we use these two factors, okay, as like it. So here 4n square plus 53n minus 48n, then we get middle term, and minus 636 is equal to 0. Then we take common from the first two term. Okay, so here and last two term. Okay, so here 9, then 4n plus 53 into bracket, here minus 12 common, then remain into bracket 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So we get here two value of 9. So here first bracket n minus 12 is equal to 0, and second bracket 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So we get here n is equal to 12, and here 4n is equal to this 53, we bring this side, so it become negative. So n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, and number of terms here negative, so this negative number is not required. So we take n is equal to 12. So required number of terms are 12. So here answer 4. Okay, like that we solve. Okay, so you learn again and check it. Now we learn question 5, and it is here. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Okay, then we find number of terms and common difference, it means D. Again here we find number of terms and D here. Okay, so now we learn question number 5. Okay, so answer number 5 here. Okay, so here A is equal to 5 because here first term of an AP is 5. It means A equal to 5. And the last term is 45. It means AN is equal to 45. Okay, and it is also become L. And here the sum is 400. Okay, so here Sn is equal to 400. Then we find number of terms and common difference. Okay, so by Sn formula we find n. Okay, so by Sn formula, so Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus L. Here we have first term and last term L we have. Okay, so you put this value, Sn also we have, that is 400. So you put this all value and find n, then you get n is equal to 16. Okay, so you try it. Now we find D, it means common difference. Okay, so by an means last term formula we find D. So here an is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Okay, so we find here D. A we have number of terms, n we have already find. Okay, that is 16, and an means last term also we have in the data. Okay, so that is 45. So you put the value in this formula and find D is equal to 8 upon 3. So these two answer you have to find it and completed these sums. Okay.